In this video, I'll be showing you 5 completely free AI video generation tools that you can start using today. We'll test both text-to-video and image-to-video features, and to make it fair, I'll use the exact same prompt and image across all tools. That way, you'll clearly see which one delivers the best results. The first tool is Digen AI. All the links are in the description to save you time. This is the homepage for Digen. All you have to do is create an account, and you'll get 300 free credits. The credits auto-renew every single day. Click on the Create button and you'll land on this page. I already have a tutorial of the website, which I will tag here as well as the description box below. I'll upload my image and paste my prompt. My image is in landscape mode, so I'll switch the aspect ratio to 16:9. I'll also opt for no music in my video. Then generate. There is a Qwen on the free plan, so be patient. I'm using JSON prompting. You can find a document with all the prompts used today, including the one used to generate the images, in the description. Now on to Vheer, which is strictly an image-to-video generator. No logins, no accounts, just upload your image and hit generate. I'm going to use the same monster image. The AI automatically created a description for the animation, but you can edit or replace it with your own prompt. I will use my JSON prompt. I will also use the camera prompt, although it's optional, and generate. This is our video. The animation was clean, smooth, and definitely brought the image to life. Make sure to download your video. Vheer doesn't save your videos. I would say the output in Vheer felt a little too static for me. If I put it side by side with a different AI generator, you can see Vheer's output isn't that impressive. Next up is Qwen AI, another free option. Unlike Digen, this one has no watermarks, no export limits, and unlimited generations. You'll need to log in with your Google account to unlock the video feature. Once inside, click on More, and you'll see the video generation tool. The interface is simple. Paste your prompt, hit generate, and let it work. Qwen doesn't accept image input as of now, so I will use a prompt to try and achieve similar output. I think it did a decent job, especially considering the fact that I couldn't use an image as reference. Rendering took about 3 minutes per video, which is pretty fast. For a completely free tool, the results were more than decent. The next tool is ChatGLM. When you land on their site, don't panic if it appears in Chinese. Just right-click and translate to English. You'll need a phone number to sign up, but here's a trick. Instead of using your own, you can grab a temporary number from sites like temporaryphonenumber.com. Copy it, paste it during sign-up, grab the verification code, and you're in. Once logged in, head over to the AI video section. Let's start with text-to-video. I'll paste my prompt, adjust the basic parameters, and hit generate. While some advanced features are locked behind their VIP plan, the free version still gives HD video output and even a few sound effects per day at no cost. The rendering took about 10 minutes for me, but the result was surprisingly smooth. Great animation, minimal glitches, and overall professional quality. There is a watermark, but you can crop it or use tools to remove it if you want. After testing image to video with the same monster picture, the tool performed very well, staying close to the prompt. The last tool is Google's AI Studio, specifically Veo 2, and it's a game changer. While it's not unlimited, the quality is so good, it deserves a spot here. Head over to Google AI Studio and sign in with your Google account. Go to Generate Media and select Veo. There's a limited free quota, but let's see what it can do. Using the same prompt, the generated video was cinematic, smooth, and incredibly detailed. Honestly, professional studio quality. It also supports image to video. Uploading the monster image and adjusting settings like aspect ratio and duration gave me a result that was both visually stunning and watermark-free. The only drawback is the limited free credits, but the quality is unmatched. The quality cannot match up to Veo 3, but of all the free tools in this list, it's the best. I also generated the same video in Veo 3, both with the image and without the image. And here are the outputs. I would say in Veo 2, I found the quality to be better without the image guiding it. and in Veo 3, the output was better with an image input. Let me know in the comments which tool you think came out on top. Thanks for watching.